What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. My name is Eboh, in case you don't know. So currently, I am in my village, and today is a very special day in my village. So there is this festival we used to celebrate every 3 years. So this festival goes within a few communities, or within few towns in Imo State, Obolo, Eyime, Mbano, Ahia Zumbise, Nkwere, Angara, and the rest of them. So we normally celebrate this thing. Actually, it's a very huge festival in Eboh land, and I'm here to share with you guys this culture, this our lovely culture, and this Eboh lovely culture. And I hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy this one. So if you can look at my attire right now, you can see what I'm wearing. So this is to show you guys that in the next 3 years, say I will be one of those celebrating, or one of those being celebrating in this festival. So I hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy this one.
In Eboh land, specifically in Imo State, Nigeria, Iwa Akwa, which is in English translated as clothes wearing, is an age-long tradition that symbolizes an initiation into manhood. It is a ceremony that entails the passage of a young boy transforming into a full-fledged man. When a young boy reaches a certain age, around 26 to 30 years old, his family deems it time for him to partake in the Iwa Akwa. The elders of the community make a prayer investigation to make sure he is eligible. These eligibility requirements basically include being of the right age and family background. The participant mother have to be married properly to the community and be identified by the women of the community. And the father have to properly pass through the initiation stage in his days. So the ceremony starts by a spiritual leader blessing the wrapper. After that, each initiate will take his wrapper home, spread it in front of his compound. This is so that passerby might see and know that it's someone in that family that is being initiated into manhood. The wrapper used is a symbol of coverage. This is to assume that they, the initiates, were naked children before, but they are now clothed adults. After that, it is time to march to the village square. Each initiate is expected to march down with a musical artist or groups, playing a melodious tunes. Hold on guys, enough of the narration and the slow motion. Let's transport to the market square, Eboh. Successful participation is a proof that the man can now take up several responsibilities within his community, family circles, and also earn the right to join the Omonna meeting whenever it holds. Many men await till they are very wealthy before they can come home to perform their Iwa Akwa, while some initiations are even done in absentia. When the participant is unavoidably absent, the ceremony is also open to women at times. So guys, I believe now you've heard, seen, and know what Iwa Akwa is all about. But wait guys, my Omona will not be happy with me if I end this video without saying one proverb from the great Igbo land. And the proverb goes like this: Obu ka nwaanyị siri tie mkpu mgbe ọ nọ n'elu nwoke, ka nwoke ga-esi wee tie mkpu ma o tinye ebe aka n'akpa ya. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you found this video very informative and entertaining, you already know what to do. Hit the like button below, share with your family and friends, and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. I will see you when next time I talk to you. God.